হাই এভরিওয়ান, গুড মর্নিং টু আওয়ার চ্যানেল ডিসকভার ইন্ডিয়া। আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাই প্রত্যেককে। এখন আমরা এসে গেছি কুর্গের। ভারতের ছোট থেকে ছোটতম জায়গার সন্ধান দেওয়াই হলো আমাদের কাজ। আজকে আমরা এসেছি কুর্গ প্ল্যান্টেশন ট্যুর অ্যান্ড কফি প্রসেসিং, যেখানে পার পার্সনের টিকিট হচ্ছে 200 টাকা করে, ফরেনার হলে 300। এর ভেতরে সমস্ত কিছু দেখানো হয়, কফি কিভাবে প্রসেসিং হচ্ছে তার প্রত্যেকটা জিনিসই এখানে দেখানো হয়। এখানে এখন টিকিট কাউন্টার, টিকিট কেটে ভেতরে প্রবেশ করব আমরা। কফি ট্রিগুলো ছোট ছোট।
Okay, good morning.
Morning.
Myself Anish. So you can see this plant everywhere in Coorg. You will find this type of plant itself. This is a coffee plant.
Okay.
So in coffee there is two type of coffee. One is Arabica coffee. Second one is a Robasta coffee. Arabica coffee is the instant coffee. What you use it in our houses like brew coffee, Nescafes and raisins. Second one is Robasta. Robasta also known as filter coffee. What we South Indian people drink here more. So in Coorg, Robasta or filter coffee only grown more here. Arabica also will be finding, but in a lesser quantity. You can differentiate Arabica and Robasta. Robusta's leaves are very bigger in size. Stems grows wider. It will spread like a bush. We make a cuttings yearly so that it will not grow like a tree. It will be a shorter plant itself. You can see the seeds. Robusta seeds are round shaped one, but Arabica seeds are old shaped one. You can see they are
Which one? Old.
round shape.
Okay.
Round
Was
shape
that
is
also
Robasta.
that? Yeah, this
But
was
Arabica
Robusta.
seeds are oval shaped and very
Robust.
big seeds will be there. Just small seeds are there.
Where is the old shape?
I will see you inside. There is
This.
other trees.
No.
No, this is round shape.
Round shape, okay. Not a old
Leaves
shape.
are also white.
Once in a year only you will find the seeds in this. This green color seeds will turn to red color in January. Then only they get harvested. Coffee is one time planted. Once in a life only they get planted. Till its death. Like Robusta coffee, 240 years it gives its seeds. Then we have to replace with a new plant. But Arabica coffee is like only 20 years they give the seeds. Then we will replace with a new plant. Coffee cannot be grown in sea level. It should be nearly 600 to 800 meters higher from the sea level. Coorg is nearly 1300 meters higher from the sea level. So here the coffee can be grown easily. Okay. Huh? Okay.
চলুন আমরা আবার আগে যাচ্ছি, আর উনি আমাদের সব কিছু বিস্তারিতভাবে বলছেন, কোথায় কি ধরনের কফি কিভাবে তৈরি হয়। এগুলো সব কফি গাছ, তার ভেতর দিয়ে দিয়ে আমরা যাচ্ছি।
Hello, excuse me. What are the conditions necessary for growing this plant?
I will show you that in Arabica coffee. I will
No, both
made
are
a
different.
plan. Yeah, both are different. Yeah.
Both need different features.
Yeah. I will show you there in Arabica coffee. Okay.
The coffee.
You can see that the dried leaves in that tree. It's a bay leaf. Bay leaf or
Okay.
tejpata, which are
Tejpata.
used in biryani or palaus. Secondly, from the same tree they take a cinnamon also. Cinnamon or dalchini stick are taken by its stem. Two
Okay.
types of spices from the single tree. In market you will find some rolled type cinnamon stick also. That is not a different tree, from the same tree. They remove the bark and scrap the stem. While scrapping the stem they get rolled. Both the side you will find brown colored one, highly flavored, more quality. But the bark they remove it, one side will be black colored one side will be brown colored one, somewhat less flavorized. Yeah. But both the type of spices from the single tree. Okay. Fig, yeah, anjeer.
अंजीर।
Figs will be like a bunches in the stem. In April or May only you'll find the fruits in this. Two types of fig are there. One is big fig fruit, second one is a small fig fruit. Simple differentiation. Big leaves, small plant means big fig fruit. Big tree, small leaves means small fig fruit. Only big fig fruit are used as an edible fruit. Half ripened fruit, they will remove it and prepare a dry fruits from that. If it is fully ripened like a fruit, you can eat it. Okay.
Big.
আগে চল।
Big.
ওকে, হ্যাঁ, উনি আমাদের এক্সপ্লেন করছেন পুরো এই কফি প্ল্যান্টেশনের।
Okay. You can see this small chili over here.
ওকে,
That's a
small-
chili plant.
This chili is known as bird's eye chili.
ওকে,
Like a bird eye, the chili size is only this much, so they call it as bird's eye chili. In Hindi, they call it as ulti chili.
okay.
Because the other
This is
chili may be
bird's eye
hanging,
chili.
but this goes upwards. So they call it as ulti chili. This is the spiciest chili in South India, 10 times spicier than the normal chili.
10 টাইমস পয়সা,
আরো ঝাল, 10
নরমাল চিলি
times
থেকে
ঝাল।
Kanyakumari,
10 গুণ
Kerala-
বেশি ঝাল।
Kerala, most of them is grown in Kerala itself. They call it as Khandari they call it as. Here we call it as Gandhari.
Okay.
So it is very spicy. In Coorg, they'll prepare a wine from this. You will not find spice enough. It is small one. You'll find one ripened, like a red colored one in market, in our shop itself. You can try that.
Okay.
Size is
This is a maximum
this
size.
one.
No. This much it will grow.
Okay.
This much it will grow.
Then just
Okay.
এটা জানা লাগছে
No.
They'll prepare a wine from in Coorg.
এতটা বড় হয় না এত।
Okay. One chili wine will be getting in a market. The chili wine are prepared with this bird's eye chili. Like other wine, like bird eye chili, you cannot drink as a enjoyment. They will take for a medicine. Morning in empty stomach, they will take an ml of chili wine for the acidity problem. Most of the spiciness they increase the acidity, but this decreases acidity. So only they get consumed. Secondly, to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol, they will use this bird's eye chili
cholesterol also. Okay. In empty stomach.
in empty stomach.
Okay. Every day.
Yeah, 10 ml.
নোট
10
Not
ml.
I'm
more
not
than that.
reduced in obesity.
Obes-
Obesity is reduced.
Acidity.
Obesity.
Obesity is I don't know.
মোটাপা. Fat.
Fat one, yeah.
ফ্যাটনেস
Fat also will be reduced. Hair fall also they can be reduced from this.
Hair fall also.
Yeah.
Okay. Only this.
Black pepper is a climber. It takes the support of other.
This is black pepper. This you
it can
climb.
এই যে black pepper.
আচ্ছা গোলমরিচ
এই যেগুলো।
হ্যাঁ
You can see there is a hanging
Black
structure
pepper.
ব্ল্যাক পেপার
in the English. Charak.
গোলমরিচ গাছ
Coffee
এরকম
পানিয়া।
গোলমরিচ গাছটা এরকম
Okay, you can see this climber. It's a black pepper. Black pepper is a climber. It takes the support of other tree and it can be grown. You can see there is a hanging structure in that, and there is a green color seeds. That is a black pepper seeds. Have you heard about white pepper? Yeah. In market they'll be selling white pepper also. White pepper and black pepper, there is no different tree. From the same tree only they'll be taking, but the processing is different.
Okay.
Now it is green color. It changes into red color in November. They get harvested and pulp it. After pulping, the outer shelf will be removed. Inside you will get a white color seeds. That is a white pepper. If they not doing pulping and going for drying, it is a black pepper. And if you are harvesting 1000 of kg of black pepper, in that only 10 to 20 kgs only you will get a white pepper. They will select and they will taking a white pepper. So it is very expensive in the market.
But
Leaves
quality
you
is
can-
both same.
Yeah.
Both same quality.
Yeah.
Huh?
Harvesting also same.
Taste also the same thing.
Same thing, yeah.
So why is it expensive?
Because coffee. Arabica coffee's leaves are very smaller in size, stems also very thinner, seeds are oval shaped and very big seeds are there. Most of the companies, they will use Arabica coffee itself because immediately they get dissolved in a milk. But Robusta coffee, like a tea, the remainings will be there. You have to filter it, then you can consume it. So it is called filtered coffee. Caffeine content wise, Robusta coffee is highly caffeinated, nearly 2.7% of caffeine present in Robusta coffee. But Arabica coffee, only 1.5% of caffeine is there. For light coffee, they will go for Arabica coffee. For strong coffee, they go for Robusta coffee. Climate wise, soil should be double soil. Up you can find black, inside you'll find red. Both of them should be mixed, so only they suit for the coffee. Second, climate wise, Robusta coffee requires 70% shadow, 30% sunlight. So you can find many trees in between coffee plantation. But Arabica coffee requires 90% shadow, 10% only sunlight. So in this region you'll find Robusta coffee more. But in Coorg itself, Tata has their own estate. 1200 acres they have in Coorg. In that region you'll find most of the Arabica coffee growing. If you visit there is many trees fully covered and minimum amount of the sunlight will not fall onto the coffee.
1000 acres.
1200.
1200.
What type of irrigation does this plant need?
That only I will say. Okay, you can see this long plant tree.
Yeah.
It's called silver oak. When moonlight or sunlight falls onto the leaves of the silver, it shines like a silver. So they call it a silver oak.
Moon or sunlight.
So you'll find somewhat shiningness in the silver.
But don't show right now.
Only that lower layer. I'll show you different plant.
Okay, only lower layer.
Yeah, only lower layer. Okay, silver oak are mainly used in plywoods. 90% of the silver oak used in plywoods, 10% of the silver oak used in furnitures. So there is many silver oak in between coffee plantation, mainly for irrigation facilities. You'll find there is no watering for the coffee plantation. They grow silver oak for the storage of the water. Silver oak's roots stores water in rainy season. They release the water in summer season. So only they get planted. Secondly, force of the rainwater. First, forcefully rainwater falls onto the silver oak leaves. Silver oak leaves are very spiky. They sprinkle it for the coffee plantation, so that seeds they get not harmed. So only they grow.
No, repeat again, please. Leaves.
Leaves are very spiky. Sprinkler the rainwater for the coffee plantation.
Is it visible?
How?
How?
While raining only you can see it. While it will be forcefully falls onto the leaves of the silver oak.
Okay.
From silver oak, slowly it falls like a sprinkler.
Acha. Sprinkler is a droplet.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay.
So they are grown. So silver oak is known as mother of coffee plant. It gives protection as well as the storage of the water. So it is called mother of coffee plantation.
Okay.
It's a Robusta coffee.
Arabic oval.
Small leaves, oval shaped.
Small
Okay,
apples.
come some.
Acha, Robasta.
Okay, you can see this small plant, this tree. It's a cocoa, which are used to prepare chocolates.
Yeah, cocoa powder.
So you can see there is many homemade chocolates while traveling. Homemade chocolates are prepared with this. There is separate plantation for the cocoa. So you can see the leaves of the cocoa and leaves of the coffee, both of them similar because both of them contain caffeine. In gym they will suggest you to take a black coffee or dark chocolate only for the energy booster. Secondly, to burn the fat also they will suggest it in gym. So they say that if you eating dark chocolate you will gain the weight. It is not true, you will lose the weight. So it will like a fat burner only, the dark chocolate are used. And oval shaped pots will be there. From November the season starts. In February, March only you will find the fruits in this. They remove the fruit and take the seeds and prepare a chocolate from the seeds.
Acha, just seeds. Sweet.
Yeah. After they will make a hole and keep the pots. It will collect for 7 days.
Cutting on the body and give the pods, droplet, and fermenting, and thereafter he is total
like alcoholic and-
alcoholic. But it is a khejur tree also gives that
Yeah.
type of alcohol.
Most of the palm trees they give this. Even coconut tree also they give the.
Coconut tree also.
And the palm tree also they give.
Yeah.
And this fishtail palm also they will be giving this.
Okay.
Okay, you can see this bush. It's a elaichi.
Okay.
Elaichi or cardamom. Yeah. In elaichi there is two type of the root. One for the support of the plant. It goes inside the soil. Second one for the purpose of fruiting. It comes out of the soil.
Elaichi to back.
You can see the root coming out of the soil.
Okay.
And there is a root here.
Where?
There down.
Okay. This is
That
the
is a small green elaichi. It will be next a base.
This is elaichi.
Yeah. After that white color flower, you will find the elaichi down.
elaichi down.
Yeah.
अच्छा इलायची
No processing is required.
No processing is required.
Just
Remove it and dry it.
Okay.
Elaichi.
That time is a very no taste, huh? That time no taste.
Now,
Na?
okay. Did you see? No. Yeah. Elaichi. One in May, second one in August. The May what we get the elaichi, it's a high quality because they go for sun dry. But what we get in August, there is no sunlight, they go for mission dry. So in market you'll find outer shell is whitish colored one. It is a mission dry. You'll find low quality. For 10 rupees all you'll be getting that in a small packet. But the high quality you'll find like a green color. Some long seeds will be there. Nearly 8 to 12 mm will be there. Like that you can taste it. Like you have to smell it first in a market. If you're getting good aroma, that is high quality. If you're getting low aroma content, it is a low quality. Like that you can check the quality. And it requires more water. Every day you have to provide the water. This is only for the demo. There is a separate plantation down there. We'll provide every day water for the village.
Pushpa.
Pushpa movie.
Oh,
Yeah,
this is the
Pushpa
red sandal.
red sandal.
This is the red sandal. You can see the redishness inside the roots and even in the stem also the reddish color. Because of iron and zinc content present in the tree, it appears fully reddish color.
But no aroma, na?
No. In red sandal there is no aroma. Only for the furniture they get prepared. Earlier royal families used to prepare furniture from this. This is the number one wood in the furniture. The durability of the red sandalwood is 600 to 700 years. The furniture. It will not get at any insect or like other water also they will not get harmed. And earlier the doors of the temple also made up of red sandalwood and Mysore's palace pillar also made up of red sandalwood. It will not get attacked by any insect. So it is very expensive in the market.
Okay.
In movie they shown that it was floating in water. But red sandalwood does not floats in water. It always sinks in the water. Density is very heavy in that. So always they get sink in the water. Even you buy the white sandalwood in the market as a rubbing one, but you don't know about the purity. To check the purity, you have to put into the water. If it is floating, that is a fake one. If it is sinking, that is a true sandalwood.
Choose.
নাও এবার আমরা লাস্ট ফাইনাল ডে মানে এতে এসেছি, এখানে সমস্ত জিনিস প্রসেসিং করা আছে, কফি বিভিন্ন টাইপের কফি আছে এখানে। আচ্ছা, কফি প্রসেসিংটা এবার দেখাবে কি করে কফি প্রসেসিং হচ্ছে।
This beans also dry, na?
Yes, coffee processing.
No, that's not right. This is a dry.
Okay. This is.
Yeah.
দাঁড়াও, ওনাকে বলতে দাও, দাঁড়াও না।
That is a roasted.
अच्छा, roasted.
When we take the coffee from the plantation, they will sun dry for 20 days. With the process of pulping, the outer shells will be removed. Inside you will get a beans like this. This beans does not contain any taste or smell of the coffee. Roasting have to be done. 180 degree Fahrenheit means 90 degree Celsius. The roasting will take place. Same temperature, different timings. They will differentiate roasting as light, medium, dark roasted. Light roasted, 5-minute roasted, which are used to prepare green coffee. Second one is a medium roasted, 15-minute roasted, which are used to prepare like a medium, like a normal coffee. Third one is a dark roasted, 30 minutes they get roasted, which are used to prepare dark coffee, like a black coffee. After they get roasted here, they will add for this for the cooling. This is the cooler.
Okay.
Cooler.
Cooling. Okay, this is the cooling process. And now we taste the
Thank
coffee.
you.
Thank you.
The more you roast,
এবার এই কফিটা আমরা খেয়ে দেখবো।
Coming from Manipur, yeah.
It's really like a flavor.
while roasting it, they increase the caffeine.
What is this?
This is a grinder. This
Grinder.
is a coffee powdering will be done.
Okay,
The
coffee
what
powder
you're
is
drinking,
done.
It's a blended coffee. Blended means 50% Arabica, 50% Robusta. That blend takes place in this.
Blank?
Okay. Blend now. This is the blending process.
Yeah. This 50% Arabica, 50% Robusta. They get blended.
Blending.
Okay, thank
By
you.
what it get blended?
Both of them, only 50% Arabica, 50% Robusta.
This
Both
is
coffee they
blending
get blended.
process and this is mixture.
Secondly, chicory blend also will be done this. When you can see in packet will be between 10% chicory, 10% coffee. Chicory is a roots.
Chicory.
The root looks into the carrot. They get roast and powder and prepare chicory. They mix with the coffee so that the bitterness of the coffee will be reduced. So to minimize the bitterness, the chicory they get added.
কফিটা সত্যি খুব ভালো খেতে, একটা খুব সুন্দর একটা ফ্লেভার আছে কফিটার মধ্যে।
কি বলছে
ওটা দেখানো হয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে।
আর এখানে দেখায় এখানে কত রকম এগুলো আবার এখানে কি সব বিক্রি হচ্ছে, যেমন চেরি ফল। আচ্ছা, this is coffee. হাতটা করে তুলছিস কেন? তুই হাতটা সোজা রাখ, আমি দেখাচ্ছি। আর এগুলো সব হচ্ছে ওয়াইন, হোমমেড নাকি ওয়াইন এগুলো। এগুলো নাকি খেতে খুব ভালো। এখানে যেমন লেখা আছে চিলি ওয়াইন, এটা খুব হোমমেড। জিঞ্জার ওয়াইন, দিস ইজ পাপায়া ওয়াইন, দিস ইজ জামু, মানে লটস ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ ওয়াইন, গ্রেপস ওয়াইন, বানানা ওয়াইন, এগুলো সমস্ত হোমমেড। যে বানানা ওয়াইন একটার দাম 1200 টাকা। এই যে করে ওয়াইন রয়েছে, একটু ওয়াইনের একটু টেস্ট করবো। এটা কি টোটাল হোমমেড আর ফ্রেশ ওয়াইন একদম। প্লাস এখানে কিছু না আপনাদের দেখায় কিছু মেকআপের জিনিসও আছে মনে হচ্ছে এখানে, কিছু ফেস প্যাক, কফি ফেস প্যাক, অল রাইট। ওকে, অল টাইপ অফ ফেস প্যাক। Okay, this is jelly. This is also for saint, different type of kesar chandan, sandal rose. এগুলো হচ্ছে বিভিন্ন টাইপের, এগুলো আচ্ছা এগুলো হচ্ছে সব ধূপ, সব সুগন্ধিত ধূপ এখানে এখানে সব কিছু ন্যাচারাল, তো এগুলো মনে হয় সেন্ট। এই যে সব রাখা আছে, সত্যি জায়গাটা খুবই সুন্দর, মানে অনেক কিছু জানলাম কিভাবে কি করে কফি তৈরি হচ্ছে।